bring baked goods, we bring fun experiences, we bring jazz.
Today I'm heading to Williamsburg, Brooklyn to meet with someone who you may know from the Today Show, from Food Network, or her popular dinner series, The Lineup Dinner. Her name is Chef Elena Besser, and she has had such an amazing career for such a young person. How did she come up with this amazing dinner series, The Lineup Dinner? And I actually am going to be the guest chef to do the family meal for all the chefs that are cooking for The Lineup Dinner tonight. So I'm really excited for that. I first have to head to Long Island City to the bakery. I'm gonna prep everything there, and then we'll head over to Brooklyn. So come along with me, let's get cooking. I just got to the kitchen. It is time to prep. I've got Nancy here. It's about to go down. We're gonna put our candied bacon, our souffle style egg, Gruyere cheddar blend cheese, and my spicy gochujang aioli on those puppies for the sandwich of your dreams. So let's get to it. Family meal is ready, and biscuit, egg, and cheese, and candied bacon sandwiches on the everything biscuit, of course. Summer salad, peaches, heirloom tomatoes, feta, cucumber, pickled onion, some prosciutto, and sugar kiss melon. It's my favorite melon ever, and I was able to get a bunch for today. And then lots of hungry on beach goods. Take a look at that spread. Delicious. It's just what you want to eat when it's 95 degrees out.
Something nice and light.
Right, that's why I also brought melon, you know, help each other out.
We're doing a lineup dinner. We're doing a dinner with Chef Kelly Pittman. She works at Leon. She's also a wickedly talented pastry chef. She's from Hawaii originally. This whole menu is like an ode to her family and her upbringing.
I'm outside of the venue for the lineup dinner. The team is getting ready. They are running around. There's no time to waste. The florals are gorgeous. Amazing setup. I can't wait to eat. The chef is Hawaiian, and that's not a cuisine I get to eat very often. So I'm super pumped to enjoy the meal tonight. Elena's running around. I'm hoping we can catch her for a few questions, but I'll give you the behind the scenes. Here's Elena. She's on the move. Guys, this is Xander. He is the husband of Elena.
I mean, my wife is a force, but I've known that since the day I met her. I've known Elena for 13 years. I always knew that she was capable of doing really cool, creative things.
It's all hands, baby.
Yeah. Game's getting ready.
Hey, welcome everybody to Season 7, Episode 3 of The Lineup with Chef Kelly Pittman.
The guests are coming in, and everybody's getting a lei. I'm about to get laid. I'm just so excited.
First meet? Oh my gosh, exciting, sorry. Any quick words?
How you feeling?
I'm excited. I'm excited, I'm very happy to be here. I'm excited for everybody else to be here. It's welcome to my role.
So happy you're here tonight. Thank you for supporting this project. Thank you for supporting all these chefs.
So you just finished seating number 1
Yes.
for tonight's dinner with Chef Kelly. I kind of wanted to get a little bit more about the backstory. Chef Missy Robbins of Lilia and Missy was here tonight. So you got your start sort of in her kitchen.
Yes, I did.
And I heard you got the idea for the lineup dinner while you were working in that kitchen.
Yes, it's true. It's true. So as a theater major, yes, I was studying theater and film at Northwestern. I thought, let's create a theatrical experience.
Was there a moment in your life, your childhood, that you could pinpoint where you said, you know, I want to do food for a living?
College.
College, okay.
I love to eat. I loved eating. However, when I moved into my own apartment in college and started cooking, it just unleashed this whole passion that I never knew I had. So that's kind of how it all started.
What is your guilty pleasure feast?
I love bacon and cheese and ice cream and cookies. What were you gonna say?
Taco Bell.
Okay. Yo, Taco Bell fucking slaps.
I had a chance to speak to your husband. He had the most wonderful things to say about you. And he told me something about you that most people don't know.
What?
And what's funny about it is it's also my fun fact about me that people don't know.
What?
We both sing.
We
So basically, we're going to start a band. I was on American Idol.
No! From one businesswoman to another, this woman, I know this shows she's like interviewing people and doing a behind the scenes thing, but I just do have to say one quick thing. This woman is just like gorgeous and chill, but also runs an insane operation where she makes thousands of pastries and have hundreds of thousands of followers and start a YouTube show. So really low-key vibes over here. The two of us were really doing the most, and we're doing the most.
Cheers to doing nothing but everything all at once.
Yes.
Congratulations on a really successful dinner tonight. I love the lineup because you have to check it out. Where can they find it?
Find it at the Lineup Dinner on Instagram.
Check out a lineup dinner really soon in a city near you. But thank you so much for having me today.
Thank
Such
you
a good time.
so
Your
much.
team was amazing. I had a blast. This is Elena Besser. I'm Chef Danielle Sepsy. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, subscribe, follow, do all the things. Also head to my Instagram at Chef Danielle Sepsy. And thanks for the inside scoop. It was an amazing day.
Dude, so fun.
I love you.
Thank you. Love you.